My25ers. I'm Sarah. Today, I'm reviewing My25's guidelines for eating better. From day one, we knew it was important to help people eat better through a focused set of guidelines that are affordable, easy for everyone to follow anywhere, based on choice and flexibility, and proven to lead to better health. So, after a lot of research and trials, and the involvement of preventive health experts and dietitians, we hit on a winning combination of recommendations. Instead of needing to eat special foods, convert complicated points, or add up thousands of calories each day, our formula is one that even young children can follow. Whether people eat at home, work, school, or in a restaurant, we transform preventive health for individuals and whole households. First, we recommend eating 25 grams of fiber each day. Fiber is a nutrient found in all kinds of foods, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, beans, and whole wheat products. Fiber fills you up so you don't snack on empty calories, and fiber has proven heart health and cancer prevention benefits. Second, we recommend portioning your plate at mealtime this way. 1/4 of your plate for a healthy starch, such as brown rice, whole wheat pasta, red skin mashed potatoes, or beans. 1/4 of your plate for a lean protein, such as chicken, turkey, beef, or fish. 1/4 of your plate for fruit, and 1/4 of your plate for vegetables. Or you can make it half your plate if you skip the fruit. So, eating better is as simple as consuming 25 grams of fiber each day and thoughtfully portioning your plate with many of the same foods you already like. I'm definitely on board, and I hope you are too.